I hit this issue today and here the quick fix that solved it. If you need to change your phone number on Crypto.com, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app. Launch the Crypto.com app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to proceed with the changes. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Phone Number. In the Settings menu, look for the Phone Number option and tap on it. This will allow you to view and edit your current phone number. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Note, if you enter an incorrect number, you might miss important verification codes. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering your new phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to confirm the change. Changing your phone number on Crypto.com is straightforward with these steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy trading!